Hi guys, super excited today. First of all, we had the ambitious video planner come through from Greg. Got me into this velocity thing, warp speed, growing my business. Now, we get the unboxing of the swag that Greg promised us last week in the group. So it arrived today, super excited, like a kid in a candy shop for Christmas. What have we got? Well, first of all, we have a nice little personalized card. Welcome to Velocity, the ambitious life. We love it, we love it. Here comes the fun, here comes the swagger. Velocity Ambition X Precision Journal. Nice little snap, we like that, Greg, thank you. As Greg said, we need something always to capture every idea. So old school, but so classic. And then the piece de resistance, the magic. The box is empty. This is what we've been waiting for. This reminds us of the symbols. Oh, can't get in it. So excited. Like a kid, as I say, at Christmas or in a candy shop. Don't want to break it now, though, do I? It's just my luck, I'll drop it like the classic Apple iPhone people come outside, so excited they drop it. And there we go. We've now got a Velocity Ambitious X Precision mug. Going to go pride of place on the desk, next to the guide, and of course, the ambitious video plan. Well, Greg, fun. We love it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. A little bit of fun from me, Collin Miles, CEO of Miles Better, the accounting translator creator, aka the numbers guy. Speak to you all soon, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and the tip. I'd love to send you a copy of our amazing guide to business, the Accounting Translator, our free 50-page ebook worth $29.95, sharing with you the language of business, accounting, but in plain speak so that you can actually use it. Hundreds of businesses are benefiting from this refreshing approach, and I'll hope you'll take up the offer too. Head over to theaccountingtranslator.com and sign up to gain instant access to this fully powerful tool. I hope you enjoyed all the videos. Please use the button to the right to subscribe to our channel, like, and please comment below. And we hope you live a miles better life.